melody.
Nakabahan ka. Relax.
Yeah, parang
Weird.
How's your wedding preparation?
Wala pa masyadong progress.
Since nandirito rin naman tayo, what about me? That makes you proud?
Daddy, what about me makes me proud?
okay, you wanna know what makes me proud?
Yeah.
What about me makes you proud?
Everything about you. Yeah, everything about you.
Unang-una, di ba, ano talaga, hindi naman talaga ayoko yung tunay mong tatay. So talaga yung adjustment ko, napakalaki. Tapos, ang pinaka-proud talaga ako sa'yo nung dinala mo kami sa church.
I shared the gospel to you way back to 2005 with your sister. And since then, you never look back sa decision na yun sa buhay mo.
She becoming the woman that God intended you to be, giving Him all the glory for all your achievement, for doing your life with the Lord.
Proud ako dahil matalino ka, masipag mag-aaral, at the same time, mahal mo ang magulang mo, mahal mo ang mga kapatid mo.
First, whenever I go home, you're so excited to see me because you prepared a drawing, you prepared
Drawings and songs.
yes, songs.
I'm so proud of you because you always kiss mommy and daddy. Diba? You always hug us. Aww. I have a question. So, Lily, what are the things that you are thankful for daddy? What are the things that you are proud of daddy?
I like it when you preach
When you preach?
and you talk to God.
My best memory of you is whenever you always fight for our time together as a family when we celebrate occasions like Christmas, New Year.
I saw you, how you sacrificing you were for us, for the family, for Mama. And you would always put us before yourself.
I think the most grateful thing about for you is that you never give up on your journey with God, especially in the condition you're in. And that really motivates me to keep pushing further.
I'm grateful for your life. I'm grateful na blessed kami ni God for someone who is strong like you.
Yung pagpalaki niyo sa amin, it's taught me to be strong and tough. So actually, nagagamit ko talaga yun sa work ko ngayon.
Well, syempre, being a good father to the four of us, and at the same time, being a friend din. I'm just grateful na kayong blessed ni Lord na maging father figure.
Because you are sweet to me, because you love me, and because you're my dad. I'm thankful because you play my violin. And also play with my geometry.
And one thing that I hope for is we will continue to live on the legacy na iniwan mo, which is the legacy of kindness and being faithful to God.
One of the reasons why I can speak really well is because of you. And one of the reasons why I can be a good counselor and a friend to my friends is because you are a good dad.
Thank you for being generous with your words, for always affirming me. Hindi ako kulang. I love you. I'm proud of you.
And I know na you won't be able to see everything na nagagawa namin for our success, our milestones, but I want to promise you na I will continue walking with God kahit mahirap. Even if the grieving is hard.
Si True God nga, di ba? Nothing is impossible.
Hug daw tatay.
You're one of the best things that happened to Dad. I love you, anak. Love you.
Ayan. Bago na ang hearts. Love you, Dad Woods.
Sabi mo.